subscribe, on your notification bell to get notified whenever I post. I'll be taking you through how I made this delicious shawarma wrap. Guys, this shawarma tasted so yummy. So come along with me. Let me walk you through how I made this delicious shawarma, guys. So let's go into it. So these are all our recipe that we are using. Everything I'm going to be using, they are all here. So guys, let's dive into it right now as you see what I'm going to show you how I made my shawarma. So these are the meats I'm using. This is my chicken breast. You can use any protein you have, but this is my chicken breast. I started by dicing it into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to introduce my seasoning. My soya spices is there, my maggi, and a little pinch of pepper is there. So I use it to marinate my protein very well. Then I'm going to cover it for like 30 minutes to get marinated. So I'm just like mixing it together all together. Then after mixing it very well together, I'll set it aside so that it will stay like 10, 20, 30 minutes before I use. So this is my hot dog. I just stir fried it for like 1 minute or thereabout. Then I'm going to set it aside. So this is my sweet chilled sauce. So I started by adding that is my mayonnaise inside this mayonnaise. I'm adding because I just want to mix the whole shawarma sauce right here inside my bowl. That is my mayonnaise. Then you're going to introduce your milk. I'm using Hollandia milk. You can use any milk of your choice, but me right now, I'm using Hollandia milk. That is what I have to use. So guys, also this is my salad cream. I'm adding my salad cream to it. I just want to, after eating this shawarma, guys, trust me, I'm going to come back. This is my ketchup. I'm mixing it into it as well. So guys, trust me when I say you're going to come back for this recipe over and over. So we'll start by mixing it together now. So you mix and mix and mix and mix until it combines well. So as I introduce my veggies, this is my carrot. I scraped it, my carrot. Then this is my cabbage going into the bowl as well. Guys, this shawarma tasted very well. Just follow it step by step. And you're going to come back to the comment section. Let me know how you feel about it. I added my onions and my green bell pepper. I'm adding everything. These are the little recipe we are talking about that'll make your food taste different. Now I added into the bowl my fresh pepper. So I'm going to give it a good mix together so that it will combine very well. Okay? Yeah, so let's go. Stay with me. So now into my bowl, I added my sunflower oil. Then this is the chicken breast I marinated earlier. So I'm going to give it a stir fry for like 5 to 10 minutes. Hola! Our chicken breast is sitting pretty inside our fry pan. So now, this is our mixed vegetable. And this is the cream I mixed together earlier. So I'm going to add it and mix it very well until it combined. Now introduce my stir fry chicken breast, yeah. So now it's one of those things, yeah. Then I'm going to give it a good mix again. So this is our shawarma bread, a wrap, whichever you call it, in your country, your zone, wherever you are. So this is my shawarma bread. I started by using mixed um the mixed sauce to rub on it, yeah. Then I'm introducing all my my wellness, my shawarma wellness, yeah, into it. So guys, let's go. Now I'm going to introduce it into my pan. Then don't forget to flip it over to the other side. I forgot that video. Yeah. So you flip it to the other side. Then 5 minutes. And gosh, the shawarma is ready. Ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to share. I'm still your girl. Food by Blessing. Thank you for watching. Stick along with us because we're still going to be showing you a lot of cooking recipe, different tutorial, snacks, food. Yeah, bye.